So now we're gonna go to the if function. So if function is pretty much, it says like if the number is equal or higher or lower than this, or appear or show this on this cell. So let's say for example I want to make sure like I don't run out of apple, or if I run out of apple I have to signal myself to buy extra ones. So it's the same thing. We're gonna start with the equal sign. We put our function if, and always, you always put open bracket. Now I want to know if cell B2 is, let's say for example, if cell B2 is less than 10, then with if now we have to put the two code. So your content have to be inside the double code. So you're gonna go let's say reorder. So now when I click OK, it tells me false because I missed something. Because B2 is not less than 10. It's actually 10. So let's say for example, let's just go, if it's less than 20, reorder. So when I click enter, now I have my signal. It tells me like, hey, your apples are less than 20, so make sure you reorder. So this is how you add the function if. And so let's say I want to copy that function for everything. So from 2 to 7 to 8, sorry. So all I can do is click here. So here I click and then drag it down. So now everything now have the function in them. But now you notice some of them have false. False pretty much just mean I didn't have an extra indicator that tells me like, hey, if it's more than 20, for example, add another, or tell the function to do this. So this is pretty much, that's how you do it. So now I'm gonna show you how you do if with else. So